part of me is going, you don't fit in, like you don't belong here, and then part of me is like, I deserve my place as much as anybody, but yeah, it's just the worry, I suppose. Either way, like I won't mind, but you know, when you don't know something.
Hi, Grania.
Hi, Grania.
Thanks for coming. How did you find it?
Yeah, it was intense. It was good pace there today, but I messed up a few there. I had a score and I didn't take it quick enough. You know, I probably scored the goal before I took the shot, kind of. You can never tell these things.
That's it. I see a lot of adversity, Grania, but I also see a lot of determination. Just tell me a bit about that. Or?
I used to ride horses professionally, and I had an accident at 21. I broke my eye socket, my nose, my shoulder, my arm and my leg at the same time. And I was sent home with painkillers and whatnot, and I remember one day I forgot to take them when I was going off, and I came home and I took the next dose at the same time. And this carried on, and my life just went down a bad path then, and you know, I was drinking heavy. You know, I don't like to say a lot of the drugs that I was doing, but I was doing what you can think of, and you know, I lost my job, I lost my house, lost my car, and I went into a treatment centre in 2015. So I went down to Cork and I spent 3 months down there. And so I struggled when I got out. I didn't know how to cope really. So I was in the gym doing a bit, and I remember a local man, he was coaching him at the time, and he said, come up and have a kick about like you used to play as a child. And kind of football kind of saved me. It gave me a bit of a focus, and from there I started, you know, coaching again. And so I just played for the crack, but like, you know, my family are proud of me again.
So what would this mean to you, Grania?
It mean everything, you know. But not only just for me, I'd love to, like, the kids just to have that confidence to try something new, you know. Like me before, I would have never put myself forward for something like this because I just wouldn't have believed in myself. Whereas now I'm kind of like, you know, if you're not in, you can't win. Half the battle is getting here, like, you know. And when I go out on the pitch now, I just switch off and enjoy it for what it is.
Yeah, obviously for us it's very difficult because the standard's so high.
It is.
And like, it's a really inspirational story, and fair play to you for what you've achieved and where you are in your life. But we have some bad news for you, I'm afraid.
That's all right.
You're going to have to find another underage coach because we're bringing you along with us.
Stop using me for it, really. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
I'd give it socks for you, I swear. Yeah.
Well done.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Well done.
Really,
Grania.
thank you.
Well done.
I'll see you at training.
Well done.
Wow. It is. Where'd you go?
Some story there, hey? Isn't it?
Sorry.
Jesus.
I actually got through. I can't believe I nearly started crying in there. I really can't believe it.
Scale inspiráidach.
Dóireachta.
You know, Corinne on scale sin le gach. Dine óg mar implantéir, you know. Agus cámid seans a thuirtaí. Tá sé sin is móna sport. Agus an róla tá sport chun daoine orbert agus a fiosú, you know.
Thanks, lads. Thank you so much.
Glenveigh, home of the new.